Today we discuss the most expensive drone in the world. Technology expands very fastly in the whole world. The world of high-tech drones still seems fascinating from the outside. The technology is growing at the fastest ever pace, and the prices of these drones also go up along with the technology. There are going to be more expensive drones in the future as companies around the world compete for this new emerging market on unmanned aerial technology, but for now, these might just be the ones worth the most attention. We tell you in this video about the most expensive drones in the world. But please subscribe to our channel Rugged Capitalist, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon button for more, new, and quick notifications. Here is the list of the most expensive drones in the world. Number 1. EHang 184. Features. Flight time is 23 minutes and its range is 9.9 miles, 16 kilometers, with 130 km/h speed. Its total price is $300,000. EHang 184 is most likely the most expensive drone on this list and can be used as an individual transport unit. The most interesting thing about the most expensive drone technology is that it works on autopilot whilst providing most of the services offered by taxis or limos. It does not require any type of human interaction during the entire flying and landing process. EHang 184 can operate in most conditions, making it almost impossible for accidents to happen. This most expensive drone operates using electricity, making it lightweight and more efficient overall than most drones. It can fly for up to 23 minutes from a single charge, which is not much, but the most expensive drone technology is usually focused on providing optimal safety and the most efficient flying experience, rather than long hours in the air. The most expensive drones can be used for individual transport as well as cargo carrying. They will most likely take over our skies in no time. Number 2. Augmented Aragon. Features. Flight time is 15 minutes with 3,280 feet range. Augmented Aragon has a 4K resolution and its price is $250,000. Augmented Aragon is the second most expensive drone on the list with the most features. It can be controlled by an Android device controller or an Apple iOS device controller. This is the most expensive drone that has most features of the most expensive drones in the market today. It can be used to take videos and pictures from various angles. This drone uses battery power to fly, but they are made using renewable energy, which means that it can keep up with all its functions without harming the environment due to long-term use. The Augmented Aragon seeks to help people understand how they can change their normal consuming habits into something more efficient and less harmful. Shortly, most expensive drone technology is said to be primarily used for mapping purposes, but that might change shortly. Number 3. Volocopter. Flight time, 27 minutes with 16.5 miles range, in which no cameras include. And its price is $250,000. Volocopter is the only drone on the list that does not use rotors for flight. This most expensive drone technology uses 18 independent motors to take off and fly around the city all day long. It has a 2-seater capacity, which makes it ideal for personal or business usage. The best thing about Volocopter is its unique body design. It is made from polyamide, making it lightweight overall and easy to maneuver in all directions without getting into any type of issues while flying at high altitudes due to wind pressure. Without crashing into anything due to their built-in sensors, which help them to detect and avoid objects as per your programmed flight plan. Volocopter can be recharged with lead-acid batteries that make no noise during takeoff or landing. But it could come in handy if you are looking for something that can carry more weight and last longer during flights, because there aren't any limits when it comes to the technology used for this purpose. Number 4. Lockheed Martin Indigo 3. At number 4 is the Lockheed Martin Indigo in town. This lightweight drone can carry up to 5 pounds, which is an average weight for a smartphone. Its intended use is for civil or military applications, but it works great in any situation where you need to check something out up close, like real estate and insurance claims. And it features a 30x optical zoom camera too. It has more than an hour of flight time and can fly at speeds of 45 miles per hour, totaling over a 20 to 30 kilometers range if the battery isn't drained through your exploration. Priced at $25,000, Lockheed Martin Indigo is one of the most expensive drones to be available commercially. It comes with immense power and is most suitable for industrial use. Please subscribe to our channel Rugged Capitalist, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon button for more new and quick notifications. Number 5. Multirotor G4 Surveying Robot. At number 5 is the Multirotor G4 Surveying Robot. Its flight time is 20 minutes with a 2 km range and 54 km/h range. Multirotor. Its camera resolution is 1080p with a decent wide angle. Equipped with various onboard cameras, including an HD real-time video lens, point-of-interest camera on a mechanical arm, and more, this multicopter drone allows you to collect 1 terabyte worth of data at 54 km/h without putting anyone's life in danger. Featuring numerous safety mechanisms preventing any crashes from occurring near buildings, power lines, or crops, the Multirotor G4 can hover for over 20 minutes within 24 inches, observing its target up close while never damaging a single object below it due to its distance sensors. Priced at around $26,000, this drone is a work of art for people who want to go a level higher with their photography or for people who want a drone to survey fields and property. Number 6. FreeFly Systems Alta 6. FreeFly Systems are one of the most expensive drones in this world. Its flight time is around about 10 minutes with a payload of 15 pounds. Its total range is 2 miles to 50 miles per hour at speed, and its camera are 1080p resolutions. The FreeFly Alta 6 is a small and very portable folding quadcopter with variable payload options. The Alta 6 provides a secure mounting system that leaves no risk for vibrations in your camera due to a dense silicone O-ring isolating system. Packing power into its frame at 145 watts per kilogram, the Alta 6 is capable of hoisting up to 15 pounds worth of equipment in total, including the weight carried by the aircraft's 13.6 kilograms maximum takeoff weight capacity. Camera-wise, with a Micro Four 3 camera, you can capture beautiful imagery from the most reliable aerial platform on the market today. Capturing 12-megapixel photos and 4K cinema at 30 frames per second, or even dropping a micro SD card into record 1080p HD footage at 60 frames per second. Priced at around $30,000, the FreeFly Systems Alta 6 drone is most suitable for professional drone photographers who need to capture material with absolute ease and precision. This drone also comes with many additional features, such as software integration. Number 7. Airborne Drones Vanguard. Its flight time is 94 minutes with a 35-kilometer range. Its price is $45,000 with a 4K resolution. At $45,000, one of the most expensive drones out there is the most sophisticated aircraft on this list so far. This aircraft features everything you'd expect from a professional-grade aerial platform, most notably an inbuilt autopilot system allowing it to take off, land, and cruise autonomously. It allows for smooth auto transition between waypoints, and this drone also allows anyone to focus on their aerial photography or filming tasks by taking all the navigation and safety factor worries away from you. Vanguard airborne drones give you the most flight time on this list by far, while still maintaining a great resolution, and it is the best when it comes to overall travel distance. It's like having your helicopter for photography or filming journeys. With an inbuilt autopilot system, I feel this drone is ideal for people who are looking beyond what you can get with consumer-level drones. It also makes transporting your drone easier because it already has all the safety concerns taken into consideration, letting you transport it like any other piece of luggage if need be. This drone can fly for up to 94 minutes with a maximum travel distance of 35 kilometers and has a 4K Ultra HD camera. Number 8. ZachSense Titan. ZachSense Titan at the number 8. It's more expensive drones. Because its price is $120,000 with 30 minutes flight time and 9.9 miles flight range. This drone is the most expensive, and with that comes some pretty impressive capabilities. This drone can fly for up to 30 minutes and has a maximum travel distance of 9.9 miles, 16 kilometers. It comes with no camera included, but this shouldn't be an issue because it's possible to mount any average camera on there, such as GoPro Hero 5 Black. Although not exactly portable, this drone does pack some incredible features like an AI-based collision avoidance system, which means it can detect objects in front of it and avoid them autonomously, just in case you're wondering. With its industry-leading GPS to follow me feature, anyone can use their mobile device and app to properly control this drone in order to get stunning drone footage from incredibly unique angles. This drone is most suitable for people who want to capture their surroundings from an entirely new perspective that would otherwise be impossible with a regular drone. With its whopping 30 minutes of flight time, this drone allows you to capture more footage than any other UAV out there. I hope you like it, and if you like any part of the video, give your comment in the comment section about the most interesting part. Thank you for watching and supporting.